Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to create building models in Revit step by step. Revit is Autodesk's Building Information Modeling, or BIM, software that lets you design intelligent three-dimensional building models for architecture, engineering, and construction projects. So let's get started. First, launch Revit and create a new project using the appropriate template, such as architectural, structural, or MEP. Before adding building elements, define your project by setting up the required levels and grids. These provide the framework for the rest of your model. Next, start building the structure by using the Architecture tab to create walls, floors, doors, windows, and roofs. Place each element according to your design, and use the Properties panel to adjust dimensions, materials, and other parameters whenever necessary. As your project grows, add additional components such as stairs, railings, and columns. Because Revit uses parametric modeling, changes you make to one part of the model automatically update related views, schedules, and documentation throughout the project. Switch regularly between floor plans, elevations, sections, and three-dimensional views to review your design from different perspectives. You can also use the Annotate tools to add dimensions, text notes, and tags that improve the clarity of your construction documents. Finally, save your project frequently and use the File menu to export drawings or collaborate with other team members using the formats required for your workflow. And that's it. You now know the basic workflow for creating building models in Revit, from setting up the project to developing a complete BIM model. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe for more easy tech guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.